today I'm going to be teaching you guys something that I put together for my own sets called the hook to an air shuffle.
I was raised in terrain when the boys they gang bang. I strive to make change and still grind to make change. And the world is my stage in this mystical age. I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you to know I'll sell Ray to a rope. I'll sell an Eskimo snow. See, I've been all around the world, but now it's time to explode. This ain't a fake it to make it mode. I don't wear fake gold. See, I'm
hook into air shuffle is just a combination of a get down and to if you haven't seen, it's a combination of using two concepts where I'm going to footwork level and to a mid level. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I suggest you watch the 7 levels concept video that I posted up either somewhere around here, I'll link down below, or somewhere. Just look for the 7 levels concept. You'll find it. Okay. So just to give context, the footwork level is more like here. Mid-level is coming up. It's not so much of a mid-level freeze. Is more like a forearm freeze. Okay, you're not exactly extending your hands, and I'm just using Amy2's different levels and dynamics to make the move, to make my dancing look more explosive. One of the things I want you guys to do is be able to dance dynamically, not just go up, down, but I want you to be able to show like a roller coaster ride. Give people a visual and aesthetically pleasing dance instead of just being up here all the time. Okay, up here all the down here, and be very formatted. I give you guys a format just to work with: top rocks, get downs, footwork, freeze. Very basic format. That's why I also give you guys the freestyle formula. Check that out too. So, anyways, hook to air shuffles. Okay, so you're gonna start off with a hook. You can do anything you want getting into it. You can either do a jump down, okay, or you can do a slide into a hook. Okay, doesn't matter. Just get into a hook like this, or you can even just go into a 6-step. Okay, from here you're gonna jump and do this specific foot pattern, and it's very important that you have decent core strength and arm strength. So I recommend doing push-ups, handstand push-ups, abs, not abs, yeah, abs, but any of the calisthenic videos that I have on my YouTube. So the footwork pattern looks like this. I extend, okay, boom, then I bring this back in, I kick, hook. Okay, I'm gonna sit real quick so you guys can see the pattern. Okay, so I'm not sure if the back camera is super useful today, but hopefully you're useful today. But anyways, you're gonna kick out this right leg, switch out. Okay, it's a very quick version of the shuffle, which I recommend you guys watching. There's a very basic version of that, but this is a little bit more a variation of the shuffle. Okay, so I hook, kick, switch, boom. I would recommend doing that a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you feel faster, okay, a little faster on the floor. Try not to let the mic fall out. I'm gonna kick up. I'm gonna go for it. Boom, boom. Okay, so extend as much as you can. Kick, switch, and come back in it. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and, depending on how you want to count the music. Okay, so putting that together, okay, I'm gonna come from a jump down, hook, okay, air shuffle. Cool, and then that's it. Pretty much short, easy move. Prerequisites: no air shuffle, have some decent calisthenic bodyweight strength. Because if you don't have that, you're probably going to be kind of here and then you fall over like that. Okay, so alright, so just recapping everything, because I just want to make sure I cover it. Okay, any kind of get down you want. Okay, boom, you can go into a ninja, go into a hook. You just got to end up in this position. Kick out. Okay, right, switch left, right, hook, or if you're on the other side. Okay, I've never done this side. And left, right, and switch. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, see? It's not too bad. Okay? Boom. You just gotta be quick with your feet. And there are exercises for that, but I'm not gonna try to extend this video any longer than it should be. Anyways, that's it for my own get down that I use, the hook to air shuffle. I hope you guys enjoy it, use it. Send me videos if you guys use it, because I love that stuff, because you know, it's not just my move, so to speak. It's for everyone to learn. That's why I'm teaching this. Main thing, make sure you're stretched. So, and if this is your first time discovering my channel and you are only seeing this one move, or you're seeing a whole bunch of tutorials and you're still trying to figure out how to put moves together, you know, so that's it. Alright, so that's it. Hope you guys had fun learning this new move. As always, aim to find a way to incorporate these moves into your freestyle. It's one thing to learn the move, practice a move. It's another thing to integrate it, because when you're freestyling, it's all habit, it's all just going. And if it's a move that you're still thinking about, and the minute you have to stop a flow into something you're thinking about, it stops and slows down and can be messy. So that's why you gotta find a way to integrate it. Use those exercises, okay? Do the 30-second freestyle exercise that I have here for you guys. So that's it. If you guys got any questions, you know where to go. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.
While I'm bumping that steel pulse. So one love to my peeps that show no love. Smoke bud, medicate. You need to meditate. See, I'll be doing me the best that I know how.